Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Transparent Business, Inc. They're looking for a social media manager. It pays up to $70,000 a year. We are a global multicultural company without geographical or cultural barriers. At Transparent Business, remote work has always been the norm and we rise above traditional work patterns. Technology is the great equalizer of opportunities and we leverage it to work more efficiently, transparently, and flexibly. Job purpose: as the social media manager, you will be responsible for setting and implementing social media and communication campaigns to align with marketing strategies, exploring new opportunities for community building and growth, providing engaging text, image, and video content for the social media accounts of the company, and responding to comments and customer queries in a timely manner. Primary responsibilities: create engaging original content following a general digital strategy, adapt and implement social media and communication campaigns to align with marketing strategies, oversee creative and design elements relating to social content, build relationships with customers, potential customers, industry professionals, and journalists, follow online conversations with the brands, participate and engage, manage the community by building relationships with customers, potential customers, industry professionals, and journalists, monitor and report on feedback and online reviews, follow live events, engaging as appropriate and proposing innovative ways to engage, publish in the different social media platforms according to best practices, organize and participate in events to build community and boost brand awareness, liaise with development and sales departments to stay updated on new products and features, stay up to date with digital technology trends, coordinate with marketing, PR, and communications teams to ensure brand consistency. Job qualifications: experience in SM content creation and creative copywriting. Experience in a creative agency is a plus. Knowledge in tactical organic growth. Understanding of design to give clear instructions to the design team and follow aesthetic guidelines to use templates. Knowledge of design applications for social media, such as Canva. Stay up to date with digital technology trends and platforms best practices. Native English, fluent in Spanish. 5+ years of direct experience in similar positions, preferably in a tech startup environment. Experience launching community initiatives. Ability to identify and track relevant community metrics. Ability to interpret insights and online customer engagement metrics and make recommendations. Very strong interpersonal skills. Build strong relationships with a wide variety of stakeholders across the company. Excellent written and verbal communication. Organized, manages multiple work streams and can prioritize effectively. Thorough and detail-oriented, execute high-quality work and keeps the information up to date. Achievement orientation, persistent focus on results. Flexible and adaptable, can manage change and work comfortably with ambiguity, and can operate at a strategic level but also perform all operational, tactical responsibilities. Team player, works well in a collaborative environment. Bachelor's degree is required. She works provided the following inclusive hiring information. We are an equal opportunity employer and consider all qualified applicants equally without regard to race, color, religion, sex, sexual orientation, gender identity, national origin, veteran status, or disability status. Women-led organization. Job type: full-time. Salary: up to $70,000 per year. Benefits: flexible schedule, health insurance, schedule, 8-hour shift, supplemental pay types, bonus pay. Education: bachelor's preferred. Experience: social media management, 4 years preferred. Language: Spanish preferred. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.